Welcome to Welsh National Opera's 3-minute introductions to opera. Verdi's La Traviata was based on a play by the French playwright Alexandre Dumas. The play was called La Dame aux Camélias, the lady with the camellias, or possibly even the dame with the camellias. It told the story, based on a true story, of a Parisian courtesan. And Verdi called the courtesan Violetta, although in real life her name was Marie Duplessis. Marie had come up from the country to Paris, where she had started her career, if you can call it that, as a courtesan, falling in love with a number of individuals until eventually she fell in love with Alexandre Dumas himself, the son of a famous French novelist. Marie died of consumption, very young indeed, and her heartbroken lover immortalized her in the play The Lady of the Camellias. Verdi wrote his opera taking the story of Marie and turning her into Violetta, a young woman who has lived on other men all her life. She's gone from one affair to another, courting barons and noblemen and other men about town, but unknown to her, a young poet called Alfredo Germont has fallen in love with her. At a rather elaborate party, Violetta is toasted by Alfredo, who drinks her health and sings of his love for her. Violetta is astonished to have this declaration of love from a complete unknown, and once he's left the room, she sings her heart out in an extraordinary self-exploration, self-discovery, a great aria culminating in an absolutely wonderful flurry of coloratura as she sings of the passion that fills her heart, this unexpected new love that's come to her. But all is not well. Alfredo's ambitious father tracks the couple down to their country retreat, confronts Violetta, and demands that she should leave his son alone. Violetta, again heartbroken, says that she will do this and leaves a letter to Alfredo saying, quite falsely, that she's stopped loving him and is going back to her former protector. Alfredo tracks her down at Flora's party, gambles, wins a huge sum of money, flings it at her feet, saying, "And that's to pay for our weekend in the country." Poor Violetta, broken down in health, retreats to her apartment where, in the arms first of Alfredo, then of Alfredo's father, who is full of repentance, she dies, blessing the man who loved her and asking him to pass on her blessing to any woman he might happen to marry.